boys and girls. Miss Martinez with you once again. Today we're going to make a little healthy snack. If you get hungry right before you have dinner time, you can always make one of these at home. All you need is peanut butter, any kind of fruit that you have at home. We're going to use some bananas. I had some strawberries. And then you can use rice cakes. Now they come, this one I picked up, it's caramel flavor. They have some that are plain or lightly salted. But since this is going to be kind of a sweet snack, but yet it'll be protein, I chose the caramel. So all you're going to do is you're going to take your fruit and you're just going to wash your fruit first and you're just going to slice it. Like I said, it can be any kind of fruit that you have at home. Okay? And I've already sliced some here. I'm using a plastic knife. And make sure you put on some gloves. Make sure you wash your hands. And then you're going to get a banana. You're going to slice it also thin. And then you're going to, they'll come out. You can take the peeling off afterwards. Anyway, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get some peanut butter. Okay, you're going to get your rice cake. Now you also can use cream cheese if you don't like peanut butter. But I love peanut butter. I don't think anybody doesn't like it. But you could be allergic. To make sure that you're not allergic, you can use the cream cheese. So I've put on some. Then you're gonna put your your banana. Okay, and then I've already sliced some strawberries. If they're sour, what I like to do is like to add a little bit of sugar and leave them in the fridge so that they'll sweeten up. And there you go. There's your little snack, and it's got protein and your fruit. And I hope you enjoy this and have a beautiful afternoon.